The fashion industry is constantly making huge impacts on the environment. As the world's largest fashion group, Inditex is constantly looking for better ways to reduce the environmental impact of its waste, especially those from the factory. Inditex proposes a circular economy model that investigates and supervises every stage from design to the end of service lives and attempts to close the loop. Considering that material supply chains account for 80% of the total energy required to make a shoe, the materials that comprise a leather boot are incredibly important when examining the sustainability of that shoe. We have come up with a matrix using multi-tools such as Higg index scores, matrix, and life cycle assessment to analyze the sustainability of the materials making boots. The conclusion is that the most serious impact on the environment of the production life cycle comes from the manufacture process of natural leather, such as tanning process. In addition, wastefulness is an ineradicable feature of any business model predicted on responding to trends that quickly. So in order to deal with the waste and put them in the loop, we have come up with two strategies.
For the short-term plan, we advised Inditex to provide shoes repair service for their customers. Nowadays, it's common to see the throwaway culture in fashion brands. Inditex, as a fast fashion brand, faces the issue that customers throw away shoes is even more serious. To be real sustainable, those customers' waste shouldn't be ignored by Inditex. Through providing this service, Inditex can prolong the life of shoes and decrease the amount of waste stemming from the operation. This plan should first be applied in Massimo Dutti and U-Turk. Those brands have higher price and quality. The trial will more likely to be success in them. This is expected to take 2 years. If the plan actually works, then later transition it to other brands like Zara. The whole short-term strategy plan to be achieved in 5 years.
The long-term strategy is the leather replacement to help Inditex to resolve the current production waste. According to research, I found Pinatex is an effective alternative material of animal and synthetic leather. Pinatex is made from the natural pineapple leaf fiber, creating low water use and production waste, which contain no harmful chemicals. Also, it is biodegradable and is able to be recycled to raw materials. It might take some stage for Inditex to replace all leather materials into Pinatex. Firstly, use small amount Pinatex for shoes repairing and combine with other materials for manufacturing. Under the mass production, it is ready to transit leather into Pinatex over 20 years. Therefore, Pinatex is the alternative material for leather and has the least negative impact on the environment.